Okay, so what we're reviewing today is the PQRP mini mic. This is for recording audio for influencers and just for making videos. And it comes with a charging cable, USB-C. It has two slots for that for both microphones, and it has a bag to keep all the accessories. It has two fuzzy microphone adapters to put on there, and it has a clip to put on. And the way you do it, there's like a little thing there, and you just you have to just slip it on, and it's very secure. And so it makes it stay on there. So there you go with that. And the microphones slip off pretty easily and slip on. So there's that. And so it has an RCA, iPhone, and a USB-C. And so this is just the regular audio. So I'm gonna plug this in, and the microphone is now doing the onboard, the microphone sound. So you can see the difference. And there you have it. It's kind of hard to say, PQRQP mini mic. And so there you have it. There you go.